In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix camera optimizing the photo. Please wait error problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to settings option, scroll down and go to apps or manage apps option. Now find camera application from the app list. Click on camera application. Then go to storage option. Now click on clear data. Click on delete. Go back. Now click on force stop. Click on OK to confirm. And then go back to home screen. Now restart your device only for power off and on. After restart your device, now open the camera app and see problem solved successfully.